So let's see today's homemade tartar sauce recipe. It's super simple. Now in a bowl, I've taken about half a cup of mayo. So you can go with any mayo, veg, or you can go with the classic mayo. Next, I'm going to add one chopped onion, which I've chopped really fine. So we're going to add that. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, next we're going to add some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped jalapenos with the rind as well, with about just 1 teaspoon of rind because it is a little bit sour, 1 teaspoon of English mustard. Those are all the ingredients we need, and now all you have to do is just mix all of this really well together. And you got to refrigerate this because it's mostly hand chilled with fish fingers or chicken fingers or even as a dip. So you can store this in a nice jar and refrigerate it and have it whenever you need to. So I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.